Welcome in to a woolly review. I am here today to show you Drops Belle Unicolor. Now this is in the wool haul giveaway. So this isn't staying with me. This is going to a new home. It might be you if you've entered. If not, I'm reviewing and you can buy it on sale right now at Wool Warehouse for £1.45, which is the cheapest that I have found online so far. Usual retail price is about £1.80, so you're saving 35p. Now, one thing I do like about this is it's almost a boucle effect. Almost. And I like boucle, personally. We're not here to judge the colour, we're here just to see what it works up like, how it works up like. Why is there a leaf over there? Sorry. Now this is colour 06. I do believe that they've quoted it as silver. This is in yarn group B. They're asking for a 4mm hook, which I have with the help of Beanie, who was designed by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs. There you go. Look at that moody face. But Beanie is going to be helping me out. She is linked down in the description below. Jelena, Cutlery Designs, bringing your imagination into fruition for a very, very good price. Anyway, the Belle is 50 grams, 120 meters, 131 yards. 53% cotton, 33% viscose, 14% linen. Now this will be the first time that I have touched a yarn with linen in it, but that's okay because I'm reviewing. It's all good. And let's get it out properly. Let's put it on there. Now I have a bad feeling this is going to be quite splitty, because when we look at the end, we do have a twist to it. So we'll see. I will be gentle, and I'm only doing half a swatch for these because these are going to somebody else. I don't want to ruin it. So 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you, Beanie. And we're going into the second from the hook to start a row of single crochet. Now we're not here to judge my crocheting technique or lack of. We're just seeing how it works up, what it feels like. It certainly feels like cotton. It's not overly soft, but it's certainly not rough, which is a bonus. This is something I think that I would use as a dishcloth, maybe, or a flannel. It's got some nice stitch definition in there. Let's go in for a half double crochet. Give me some, will you? You're not playing ball very well, are you? Dear me. Sorry, talking to inanimate objects. It's what I do. I'm being very, very cautious about how I'm bringing that hook through because it is splitting. Now, I've never tried Drops Belle before, but I am a fan of Drops cottons in general. because of their pricing and because of their colour range, but I am trying to be unbiased. But I'm also very aware of how cautious I'm being with the hook right now. I'm not just freely doing whatever I need to do. It is more, oh, careful. Watch that bit. Do that bit slowly. That's more like what I'm doing at the moment, which for me isn't a really good sign, because I want to be able to use my fibre while I'm doing something else, like watching TV or listening to an audiobook or the radio, you know. I don't want to be paying huge attention to what is going on with my hands. I just want to get on with it. Okay, let's do one more row. Oh, and this one will be, oh, dearie me. This one will be a double crochet. So yeah, already I have to take a mark off for the splitty, but that's the only hint I'm going to give you. I think I know what I'm going to give it. Oh, this is definitely a working material. It's not something that I'd want to make up into a garment or something I'd want to give to a child. Let's remove Beanie. You go and sit over there with the HanKeys and the hanky markers. Yeah, I don't think I'd want that next to my skin. It's not rough. Please don't get me wrong. It's not like, oh my gosh, that is scratching. It's horrible. It's just not as soft as it could be. No elasticity as expected, but we'll do a slow frog. And a fast. Now this is expected. There's a lot of kink there. A lot of kink. The splitting, the 4 yarns. In fact, it's even more than that. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 yarns in there, twisted together, but working it up, they're not quite so together. So definitely more something for an item rather than a garment, in my opinion. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be really annoyed if that were the only thing in the shop and I needed it desperately? No. But it certainly wouldn't be on my top 5. It would be, oh, well, okay, if that's what you've got, then I'll take it, I'll use it. But hope you bring in blah, blah, blah next time. This I am giving I am giving a 2.5. I kind of want to say giving it 3, but I don't think I can. There's just way too much splitting with it. It's not my favourite. I love drops to bits, but I think I'm going to be bypassing this one, unfortunately. But whoever wins the wool haul, you can have your own review. You can test it out, and maybe it might be something that you like. For me personally, no. I'm going to stick with the 2.5. That's going back in the haul bag, and the haul will be linked at the end of this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week for another woolly review. Take care. Bye bye.